Good morning, personal finance class. It is about 10 o'clock on Wednesday morning, 25th of March. Your exam 6 has now been open for about an hour, and I will be watching over the next 2 days as you complete the exam. It is due to be completed no later than 9 a.m. on Friday, the 27th. Hopefully, as you are using information from Chapter 10 in your book, from some of the sources that I have posted on our Exam 6 resources section in Canvas, and some of the things that I put in our PowerPoints for both Monday and Wednesday this day. You're finding the information you need to answer those questions well. Be sure that you answer question number 50 honestly, that you have done this work on your own, and that will complete our study of property and liability insurance from Chapter 10 and some of the information there. If you have looked ahead, you have seen that on Monday we are having a discussion one day on Chapter 9 on health and disability insurance. This is a complicated area, very much in flux and change, very much a part of the debate of those that are running for president right now. Joe Biden wants to maintain and build upon Obamacare. President Trump wants to completely dismantle it, do away with it, and come up with something new. And of course, Bernie Sanders thinks that we ought to have Medicare for all. A lot of things are in flux. We're going to have a discussion. It is not something that you're going to be tested on. But I do want you to read through the information in Chapter 9 between now and next Monday. That will be March 30th. And what I'd also like to ask you to do is upload on your computers, or download on your computers, Zoom and Google Hangouts Meet. Have both of those available on either your computer or your smartphone, so that on Monday we can, at 8 a.m., bright and early as our normal time would be, meet virtually right here and have an opportunity to have some discussion about what you've read in Chapter 9. I'll discuss some highlights about health insurance and about some of the things that we need to know. That'll be our plan over the next few days then. Finish up Exam 6. Make sure that you get it completed and submitted before 9 a.m. on Friday, and then on Monday, be ready to link up with us. Now, if you have any trouble in trying to download Zoom, that's at zoom.us, or use Google Hangouts Meet. You can just add that as a part of your Google account, which you can access through your Ravenmail Gmail, just that upper grid where you can click on that for all of the Google tools. That's one of the possibilities there as well. But we'll try and make sure that we can meet, as many of us as can, at 8 a.m. on Monday morning. Praying for you every day, and look forward to talking with you soon virtually on Monday. Bye-bye.